Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick tutorial on if you can view your Disney Plus password or not. Before beginning, let me tell you that you cannot directly view your Disney Plus password stored on your server for security reasons. This is a good practice to protect your account from unauthorized access, so you will not be able to view your password that you're currently using for your account, but you can easily reset to a new password for your Disney Plus account. Simply go ahead and open your web browser and type in disneyplus.com in the URL box. Now, once you're logged into the account, mouse over to your name at the top right corner and click on the account option. Click on Manage with My Disney option under your account information and then click on the pencil icon right next to password. Now you can simply go ahead and create a new password for your Disney Plus account, and that is the only way you will be able to know your Disney Plus account's password. Enter a new password for your account in the text box and click on Save and Continue, and that is the only way you will be able to view your password on Disney Plus. For security reasons, you will not be able to view your Disney Plus current password stored on the server, so that is the only thing you can do in order to manage your Disney Plus password. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.